Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enter prank mode on your headphones EDIFIER STAX S5. And to enter prank mode, firstly we need to turn on these headphones, so at the right ear cup we have multifunctional button between volume control buttons, and we need to firstly press and hold this button, and now we should see the LED light. Here we go, we just turn on these headphones, and then near to the volume down button we have a Bluetooth button. We need to press and hold it until the LED light start flashing white and blue. So press and hold, and now we have it. So we just enter prank mode, and now we see these headphones at the device list. So now we can pair with them. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!